Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know to start a successful online business. Starting online can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach and tools, you can build a business that generates income and provides real value to your audience. The first step is defining your business idea and finding your niche. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What problems can I solve? Who is my target audience? Choosing the right niche is important because it determines your products, marketing, and audience. For example, instead of just fitness, you could focus on home workouts for busy professionals or healthy meal plans for students. A clear niche helps you stand out and attract the right audience who truly needs your solution. Next, conduct market research. Understand your audience, competitors, and trends using tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and competitor analysis. This helps you identify gaps in the market where your product or service can provide real value, saving time and effort. After this, create a simple business plan. Outline your business model, pricing, marketing channels, and goals. Even if you start small, a plan keeps you organized and helps track progress. Branding and online presence are essential. Your brand is more than a logo. It reflects your identity. Choose a memorable name, design a professional logo, and build a website that matches your brand. Create social media profiles where your audience is active, maintaining consistent colors, fonts, and tone. Consistency builds trust and recognition. You'll also need tools to manage your business efficiently: a website and domain, email marketing software, payment gateways, and analytics tools are must-haves. Automation can save time on posts, emails, and customer management, letting you focus on growth. Marketing is critical. Even the best product won't sell if no one sees it. Focus on social media, content marketing, SEO, and paid ads. Provide value, engage consistently, and build trust to generate sustainable traffic and sales. Finally, start small, test, and learn. Track results, optimize, and scale gradually. Expand products, increase marketing, or collaborate with influencers. Once you have a proven system, patience, persistence, and learning are key. Starting an online business may seem challenging, but following these steps gives you a strong foundation. Focus on delivering value, stay consistent, and keep learning. Every successful business started with one idea. Maybe yours is next.